Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Rush from more reviews here with another driving video. First of all, thanks for clicking on this video. Please watch to the end. I really appreciate the support from you guys. So right now we are driving through Alpha Tree, Kingston on election day. So today is the 2020 general election. So I'm doing a quick video, just driving from Alpha Tree to Crossroads for you guys as well. Did you go out and vote today, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Definitely don't mention who you vote for. We don't want to start any war in the comments, but let us know in the comments if you went out and vote, if you went out and exercise your constitutional right today, September 3rd 2020. So I hope you guys went out and vote. Hope you guys did it from early, to avoid some of the rush as well. So again, election day, did you vote? So it's just a quick drive, as I mentioned, Alpha Tree to Crossroad. First of all, if you're new to the channel, first time you're clicking on a video for Rush from More Reviews, definitely subscribe. Also turn on your post notification bell so that once I do an upload, you'll be notified as well. Also remember to like the video, and probably you usually like the video, always watching the video, and you haven't subscribed before, this is the time. Join the family and subscribe. Remember to share the video as well so other persons can see. The more likes and the more share is the more YouTube will also recommend the video to persons that have never been on the channel before. So everything you do, guys, it goes a far way. It could just... Alright guys, so even if you just share a video, if you like a video, if you comment on a video, anything you do that helps YouTube as well. We call it the YouTube algorithm to share the video to persons that have never been on the channel before. So I appreciate every little thing that you guys do. So just past Chelsea Avenue, heading towards Crossroad direction. So again, it's a drive from Alpha Tree to Crossroad on election day. And remember, leave in the comments if you have voted today, and if you haven't, share why as well. Because some persons are of the view that if you don't vote, it's the same as voting, because you not voting still influence a decision as well. So let us know in the comment section, and let us know the reason why if you haven't voted as well. The road is a bit empty today, even though it's a Thursday. Most business places close half day, to facilitate their employees going to vote. And for some business places, they don't open any at all. So the road is a bit empty. At this time of day, the place would be, a lot more busy. Back-to-back traffic. So yeah. Less traffic on election day. right, so we are basically in Crossroads right now. So we're driving from Halfway Tree to Crossroads. In comparison to other elections, the road is a bit empty, even with, you know, motorcades and persons in their green and orange. You're not seeing a lot of different. You're not seeing a lot of persons in voting colors. You know, most persons are just voting, going back home, which is the right thing to do due to COVID. So yeah. Alright guys, so we are in Crossroads, so we'll be ending the video anywhere here. So it was a quick drive from Halfway Tree to Crossroads on election day. That's September 3rd, Thursday. And again, you know, it's one of those driving videos that I usually do, but this one is on election day. That's the only difference. So remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and most of all, leave a comment. Remember, the big question is, did you vote today? So that's the $1 million question. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another driving video.